Hey, so today I wanted to talk about a couple of things. We're coming down to the end of the year and the holiday season's on full effect. But as far as the markets go, I wanted to talk about how today is and this the end of the December is really a good time to really put your accounts in perspective and look at, how you did this year. I know there's still some time left, but it's a good idea just to kind of look at like how you did and look at all your accounts and then what moves you can make before the end of the year, and then also consider like tax ramifications. Well, I'm not a tax advisor and like that, but you have to put that in your mind as well. So today I wanted to talk about that, just kind of like reflecting at the end of the year and how you can do better, maybe do better in 2025, or whatever you're doing. As far as me, I like to have like a bunch of different accounts because I had a bad case when I was only just having like a couple accounts, and then you can easily just blow up that one account, just because there's so much temptation out there. So like four of my accounts are like 3x'd in this year, or it was more the tail end of it. I mean, I didn't hit these 10x numbers or anything like that, but 3x is good. So it's like a kind of a blueprint for 2025 and just setting that straight. And I probably would have done a lot better if I would have had everything lumped into one account and to win YOLO and all that stuff. But that's not really my goal, or or going in that direction, because I was burned too many times just YOLOing back in the day. You get burned on one account and making that mistake, just all in margin or whatever like that. So I have it broken down on like a bunch of different accounts, but the four are the main ones that I've been really focusing on this year, and just trying to so I like 3x them. So I'm just trying to think in my head today and this week and the remaining December, how can I improve on that, and going into 2025, how I'm allocating my stocks and all like that. And this is just for investing, like more like long-term kind of investing, strategizing there. But I'm working on getting another account just to day trade and just that area. So yeah, my point is just one of the key points is you can have like a lot of, just separate those accounts, like your investing accounts, and then you have a day trade account or trading account, whatever you may want to call it. But separate them so they don't mix together, so you're not playing with fire there and kind of doing the wrong things all just one account, and then it blows up that account. So it's a lot of work to have a bunch of different accounts, and you don't get as much traction as like one account. But I think it's multiple accounts is way better than just having one account where you can just blow that up. But so I'm looking into doing that with Moo, trying to trade more there, but just keeping my long-term investments going. So yeah, this the end of the year, just kind of think about how you did, and just into the future, how you can perform, and look at that as far as like your investing and your trading, and trying to put everything in perspective. And and of course, the other caveat is this tax ramifications, if you really want to take this loss or take this gain. But it's up to you. When they're this close to the end of the year, it's maybe sometimes it's easier just to wait till January, just however you want to do it. But it's not any tax advice or anything like that from me. I'm not a tax advisor, but it's sometimes you want to wait till the end of January, or you may want to take your losses now to offset anything if you don't have any losses available or stuff like that. Of course, it doesn't really count for an IRA or 401k or Roth, anything like that. Just you can't really offset those. It is what it is there. But yeah, look into the future and in the past, and then also look at the like your allocations. Like I have a ton of Nvidia, Tesla, um, Palantir, like a lot of my big ones. And I'm thinking about next year kind of reducing my exposure to Uber because I don't really trust. Like you have Google and you have Tesla really coming at Uber, and it almost reminds me like with Netflix and Blockbuster back in the day with that Blockbuster was trying to get into the online business of the movie business and stuff. It really, I may have had an account for like a month or so, but to try it out, but you never could compete with Netflix. So yeah, I'm just concerned about Uber, like being able to compete with Tesla and Google in the self-driving car area, if they're really going to be able to compete, or are they just getting it blown out of the water by Tesla. So I'm thinking maybe putting that Uber money, putting into Tesla. But I have a gain, and I don't feel like taking it now, so I may wait to the end of the year. But a lot of stuff, if you're doing well, paying taxes is not a bad thing if you're making money. You may as well than the other way around, taking a huge loss. Nothing really is gained there. You can offset it, but it just takes you forever to offset those taxes, the losses. So it doesn't really help you though. It helps you recoup a little bit, but not really that much. But yeah, end of the year, I'm thinking just chill and just look back at what you did this year and how you're going to improve on the future. And maybe you 3x, maybe you have like, you got to count up to 30,000 and see if you can try to double that again to 60, or quicker goal to get 100K, 30 to 100. I've done that before where in the one account really quick like that, but you have to make the right moves really quickly, and then it can happen. But kind of it's a slow Peter and upward effect that I'm having, because I haven't really been trading this year. I've just been DCAing into my accounts and making moves that way, with the accounts are really going up. So a lot of my stuff is like really long term. So but sometimes you want to have more speculative account. That's what I'm going to do with my Moomoo account when I get that up and going. Then I'm also looking into trading stock chat rooms to try to get some ideas, but there's a lot of noise into that. I'd rather I find the movers like in the morning Moomoo or anything like that, or Yahoo Finance, or like I find the volume going up, ticking up like that. But I'm thinking of doing that again. I just have to set that up, and it takes commitment to get up early in the morning and looking for those volume moves and stuff like that. Depending on your job and whatever you got going on in your life, it takes more of a commitment than just DCAing like I have with M1 and Interactive Brokers. Like Interactive Brokers, I could just put just daily set it up to recurring investment. It does it for you automatically. M1 is kind of a more pain, but you have to. But there's a way, I'm sure you can set it up where it's automatic. I know Robinhood has that too. So I may do that with some of my Uber when I may get rid of Uber, because I don't know, it's dropping today more, like 6%. It's all in the news that there's just a lot of questions if you can compete with Tesla and Google. But when the self-driving cars really become a thing. But yeah, this is just my talk today. One of the talks today. I just trying to grow this channel. I'm just gonna make as many views as I can and make good videos, and maybe get a mic this Christmas. But yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. And yeah, I just really wanted to say, yeah, what is today, December 11th? Maybe you have maybe there's 20, yeah, maybe I think there's 20 more days in the year, if that. Um, so it's really a time to look at your accounts, see where you're going and past and future, and see how you can improve on things 2025. And I also use like a spreadsheet, Excel, to keep track of things. I update it like at least once a week or stuff like that. I used to even I might go back to with Mumu when I doing that and to putting my daily trades into Excel. And it's a nice feeling. Like it. Sometime I used to print it out. I'm not gonna print it out now. I think I'll just maybe get a Magic Market and a whiteboard and just put my trades that way, my gains for the day, and do it that way. But still keep the trades also in Excel, and just so it motivates me to try to 10x that account. I've done it before, so I think I can do it again trading. Yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and think long term DCA, the power of DCA, and then that's the future. And then also, you may want to have that what I'm thinking next year, even getting close to in December, having a trading account as well. And I'm gonna probably talk more about my trades in the early morning quick synopsis of what I'm getting into, so you guys can follow that if you want. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Peace.